Hello everybody, I'm Traveling Dave. I'm in Plodiv, Bulgaria right now, 2019, in the middle of the summer, beautiful day. I'm here to share you a very unusual story right now. As a prepper and a survivalist, it's really fun to have and learn and discover things as you travel, to learn about other people's creations that are hidden and off-grid devices that could help sustain and make people happier, that there's this technology that's available. And I'm doing a mini documentary right now to introduce a company called Gamana right now, and my buddy right behind me right there, we're going to talk to you a little bit. His name is Jifto. And this thing right here, he and his partners have created, it's called a Gamana. Can you see this? The camera work's just going to be, medium, but I want to show you this. This is an off-grid stove. Just take a look. I'm going to pan real slow. I just want to show you the vibe right now. Take a look at this thing. It looks funny, it looks maybe outdated, but it's actually high-tech and very sophisticated. Most technologies in the world require electricity. So it's a grid. But there's a lot of people in the world who don't have money, that are off-grid. And this is one of the things I want to share to all the people around the world who are watching this. As a survivalist prepper, you want to be able to cook your food and drink pure water and boil it. Look at this thing. Just want to show you. Right here, you put wood inside and you light it. It's like a stove. And the energy generates in here. They set 1,000 degrees and you're able to cook here unlimitedly for free for life. And for the price that he asked is like, oh my gosh, it's a no-brainer. So, one of the other beautiful things about this too, as you're cooking with the wood, it's non-toxic. Most energies are toxic. So, if you want to know more about this stove, I'm going to get my buddy here, Jifton, to share with you more deeper insights about this. And one other beautiful thing, watch this. The grand finale of this is not only can you cook, you see this dome right here? If you cover that, this thing is also a heater. So you can be warm the rest of your life in the cold for free. It exists, the technology is out there. This is just one video with one thing. And believe me, there's hundreds of other things out there that'll blow your mind. This is my buddy Jifton. I just want to introduce you right there, buddy. Welcome to a little mini documentary that I'm doing here. This guy is amazing. I just met him randomly at this festival, and I'd like to have him just share a minute or two or three, whatever of his times. Express the most that you can for our viewers and tell us how you created this and what's the real depth of this.
We are making stoves based on the rocket stove principle, and we started to make for heating, for home heating stoves, but now we have a new one that is for cooking. You can use it in the garden, but also heat at home with a big plate for cooking. And also we, for the first time for this festival, developed a traveling rocket stove, small, that can be pocket stove, and you can bring it in nature and have really efficiently your tea or coffee or a small pot for food to make it anywhere in the wilderness. So the technology is very ancient, but not very known to the modern civilization, because we have all the electricity and all the convenience of the modern life. But this technology provides maybe the cheapest and the cleanest energy, heat energy, because of its simplicity. We have a secondary burning chamber made out of highly insulative material that is also fireproof. And you have 1,000 degrees built up by the initial fire in a much smaller burning chamber, the first one. And in this secondary burning chamber you have all the smoke and the gases burned, and they bring almost the same amount of calories that you have in the initial fire. And usually we throw all this energy through the chimney as an air pollution, and as you know, the wood stoves tend to be forbidden because they're highly pollutive. But they are not. We're just using very old technology. We never developed the wood stove, which is the most usual thing in our life. So we wanted to demonstrate to people that you can have a regular product in the shop that is based on this technology, and you can use this very efficient way of heating. And also you can cook your food, and now you can even bring it in nature in your pocket.
If that ain't magical and powerful and potent, then I don't know what to say. Because, again, this kind of creations is hidden from the public. So if you'd like to know more information about this, I'm going to leave an email and an address. Grab the brochure. I want to show you a brochure, and his information is here. So if you're interested in getting one of these things, we won't discuss price and stuff. It's pretty cheap. Let me see. You see, they just kind of scan. Yeah. He's in Plodiv, Bulgaria. Isn't that right? Plodiv?
Yeah.
And I can't stop raving how potent and powerful this machine is. Again, I'm such a fan. I'm trying to, wander around this festival, and I'm hypnotized by this thing. So, anyway, I guess that's pretty much it. I mean, I don't think, I think pretty much it is. So,
Two, three times less fuel you can use, and the emissions are 100 times less than the regular wood stove.
Does it get any better than that? So if you're interested in saving money and getting off the grid and doing all these amazing things with this stove, and there's 3 different types, I understand. You did mention that. We didn't get all into the details, but this is a basic introductory video targeted just to introduce to the world all this, what the stove does. So once again, I'm Traveling Dave here, sharing amazing people's stories and amazing people's creativity, and it's my deepest gratitude to show and share with the world people that have these talents that need to be seriously just shared with the world, and I'm one of them. And I do this for free, of course. This is just YouTube, and I hope you enjoyed it. So I can ramble on and on. And I just want to say thanks for watching. There will be more discoveries as I travel along. I'm grateful to know this beautiful person right here and his creation, and I'm going to share this with the world. So many blessings. We'll see you on the next one. Talk to you then. Ciao.
Bye.